Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft combination lock for your door. So what I would suggest is making a completely new house with these steps. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is place down a row of 10 blocks of your choice. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so... and then we're going to want to do that 2 more times. Okay. So then you're going to want to line out these 2 blocks right there. Place that with your block of choice. And you're going to get yourself some levers. Place down at 6, just like this. And what you're going to want to do is go straight to the back. Place down another block. And do this 3 more times. Alright. So, say if you wanted your code to be this, then on the back of all those levers that were just flicked down, you're going to want to place down a redstone torch. So to make it easier, I'm just going to do all these, and whichever ones are off, you keep there. Then what you're going to want to get is some redstone and place that everywhere else, just like this. And you place another torch straight across from your turned off torches, like so. And now what you're going to want to do is mine 1 block underneath all these and 2 down, like this. So then your redstone can actually get a power source. Now what you're going to want to do is, first of all, get your iron door ready and place that down. Then you're going to want to connect your redstone line up to right here. So you're going to want to connect it to the door, which is quite simple. All you have to do is run the redstone through like this, place a block above it like that, that'll cut off the redstone, and you can run your redstone all the way through that. Then you can cover up the rest of this and keep those open. Okay, so now that all these levers are flicked down, the door's open, flick down another one, won't work. Slime, please get out of my way. Please get out. Okay, so if you flick down the wrong password, say if you flick down that, it will not work. So your base is completely safe if you know how the combination. And what you can do is sort of make this little hallway right here and go to your base. But just, you're going to want to keep it open. So while you're doing your stuff inside, then you're going to want to close it again, because unfortunately you cannot close it from the inside. So that's pretty much it for my video today. If you guys enjoyed and want more types of these videos, tutorial Minecraft, then please leave a big thumbs up. And if you like what you're seeing, then please consider subscribing to support my channel.